Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. David and I have at least a couple dinners of chicken wings every month. We love them. They are easy to make, plus, I have so many different flavors to choose from, including this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Shanghai Chicken Wings. With bold flavors, this is an incredible recipe for your wings, although the sauce can be used for other proteins. So let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll add chicken broth, saucing cooking wine, as well as rice wine vinegar, some brown sugar, a couple tablespoons of hoisin sauce, followed by sambal oelek, then Chinese 5-spice powder, which can be found at your supermarket or online. Also, minced ginger and 1 large pressed garlic. We'll whisk the ingredients until nicely blended and bring the mixture to a simmer. We'll cook until the sauce has reduced by half, or until we have a nice thick consistency, like this, about 25 minutes, whisking often. And my friends, these are our Shanghai Chicken Wings. Incredibly flavorful, this is another tasty sauce for wings or other proteins. It's a delicious and original Asian-inspired recipe that I'm sure you'll love. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!